Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. Today we'll be solving the NBHM PhD Scholarship Exam questions from the January 2018 paper. We'll be solving the questions which came from the section 2, that is the analysis part of the paper. This is the question number 3 from the section 3, and let's begin with the question. The question is that let f and g be defined on R and fx is equal to 1 if x is rational and 0 if x is irrational, and gx is equal to 1 if x is greater than equal to 0 and gx is equal to 0 if x is less than 0. Which of the following statements are true? Option A, the function f is continuous almost everywhere. Option B, the function f is equal to a continuous function almost everywhere. And option C, the function g is equal to a continuous function almost everywhere. So these are the options that we have been given. So as you can see from here that fx is discontinuous. Fx is discontinuous and its point of discontinuity is at the points where fx is discontinuous, and points of discontinuity is at the irrational points. Okay, so fx is discontinuous. Similarly, you can see that gx, if we draw the graph of gx, so gx will be, for x greater than equal to 0, gx is equal to 1, and if x is less than 0, then gx is 0. Okay, so as you can see, gx is discontinuous. So both fx and gx is discontinuous. So option A, which says that function f is discontinuous almost everywhere, so therefore option A is false. Now let's shift our focus to option B. In option B, it has been said that the function f is equal to a continuous function almost everywhere. So if we take let h be congruent to 0. So basically what we have taken, h is on a set, an element h from a set of measure 0. It is an element from a set of measure 0. So if we take h is congruent to 0, so that implies that we know that h is a continuous function, and it is such a continuous function that if we change, suppose we change that fx is equal to 0 if x is rational. If x is rational, we change that fx is equal to 0, then we see that f of x is continuous, since it is 0 for rational and 0 for irrational also. The fx is continuous. So therefore, on a set of measure 0, f of x is continuous. On a set of measure 0, fx is continuous. So we can say that therefore option B is correct, is true. Now let us shift our focus to option C. In option C also we need to check out the same thing, but for the function g. Now in option G, for option C, we can see that g can never become continuous on a set of measure 0. Okay, since there is no continuous function h, there is no continuous function h such that g is equal to h everywhere. So that implies that option C is false. So the correct options are, option B. So today we have solved an analysis question which came in the 2018 NBHM paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sourav Sir Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.